Yo, mbadi ngol ngali konton kote ke ngali bismillah be ni wala ni ngon finjana nan kote ke on prepared lay sunkaro nyanjol bi ka hani konkol because ntel kabalu minani sunkaro manta balu butung si yala tentu wo kono nga jayi nga nimbara kabide nga yeno another strength na puro nga fintino nga diamo dia banko dingol fe kakacha banko dingol fe kuma kamol miliyalon gol lafta nim banko dingol wole tala be ala tentu la subhanahu wa ta'ala kote ke ay futandina mbi be duwala mol fana be miliyalon ko wolde mul lamoy lati kaboni banko kono banko bantala mbe mobe tentula ka mo fana mbe jayi ka mo fana mbe nimbara nata quickly doron pour ka kacha banko dingol fe miliyalon ko wolle kala moy watini watila mi finjata ndiyamta ne diamo nyingate jam fala bake bawo ngajele kuma kawon miliyalon ko lebe trending kan on social media mo jama la konsani tanda ko nyinna kadiamu coalition o miliyalon ko ya fole ko coalition ole I mean making wala an agreement miliyalon ko ye wole foko wole lafta kake some of the party leaders tema including United Democratic Party all kono fanang la minje dabo taliban suda UMC ani modo miliyalon ko ye wo fanang sambanang on board ko nyinda maltema ya agreement ole sign je yo bar butungte na kuma kongol te siala je. I just want to put to United Democratic Party supporters ndete fintla do ngana ngadiamu nkumo fe wala ngana ngadiamu kula miliyalon ko man so be fenna je wala man fe lonje fere but mbe min fula moliye regarding this issue walen talib wala koti ko standing je hakilola surtout mol miliyalon ko leka diamu UDP to yala on social media wala ka safiro ke on behalf of UDP wala bankola kola mo jamale la konsani tan nyim koto ya tan ko ma ko nyim me amang ami kontani because ye talib mu yalon ko yaje ko adabe ko nyim konole personally I want to put it to everybody mi yalon ko UDP kanun te wala mandaka diamu UDP to yala wala patela ko ya sola fo aka engage patela ko on social media probably nale nyim ko nyinje and then you are not informed wala nyinin karo man son yalni mol tema nte ba fula mo be stani hakilola se ya mutako nyaton ko lebe UDP and wo nyaton ko they are very responsible meto bondron because nyata nyakoto wale jamfata wale sutiyata nyetale ngi tombone because latela nungalon ko they are very responsible. They will take decisions muliyalon ko would not satisfy them alone bari muliyalon ko be wole nyaton kayaka in United Democratic Party and the leader le be UDP bulu muliyalon ko hadama dingole muliyalon ko ko fata baki anda ke kolon abika sapi fenka nganda be ko kunto abika pati fon la ko da majibe je baraka banko la ko jibe jele anim pati di on la ko oton telefo fe mira je ayen kamfa ayen mira a man satisfy nyawnyang alalon kon telefona na nyaton kol di same miro wole be bulu United Democratic Party is open for coalition with any political party in the Gambia. Bar ku kelente wolon ka mante kontane nyaminna ma foko ni UMC keta political party ti we can go into dialogue ka jibe parce que nim bankola interest le taji but as far UMC manke party ti folon nte na nyaton kol mulong ngamil long alaji Usain la koto ntelisi si ngamira ko it does not make any sense to go into a coalition with somebody miyalon ko is not even a registered political party. Wallahi na ya tara manyi nyantel nyakota tin nyala alaji Usain nyakota. Alaji Usain man fem fonye de. Aman fem fonye. Aman fem fonye de. Nteni alaji Usain diam ta famata diamola is ngama sunkaro mu mebe naman diam. Barimba fulale ko he is as responsible as laftait ay kenyaton ko sifamuti. Alaji Usain will not go into coalition or signing any agreement with any movement mu yalonko is not yet a political party. Woto ni UNC la ko la yatinna moli finjite diamuta kayitandi ko United Democratic Party ni UMC manjana talono la coalition la mo jama yala modol yela agreement base because talib wol bota UDP le e ko leadership ni me satisfy wala yatine bota ji and yela agreement base wala fananka modol yaje ko talib wol bota UDP le because ya jele ko e manyato kaya dila modol yaje ko talib wol bota UDP le because he hadu metale. Combining all this together yenaje ntele minje poñin kono ntelta danta damindo misadabo ta ko master wolto I can guarantee Gambians woto ntelislata fe na talib la koto alon ko misadabo ye mira wolale fa pareta bari mbe ko kilin na fanam fulali he is not a type of person me yalon ka kanyapi ko kanne ko kun nata anyanta handul nyami na ka handul wol nyama woto ko kun benyim koto alkana fo mol kana fo ko mbe nyaton kol soto lale ngana mur ko tek ngana mur wo nyaton kol kan any kuma fota drong nga sapin telephone la nyaton kol kan before anything will come on board alingam fonyo wala nin kakala woke nim ko keta jannen ka reaction oke jannen ka kuma fo jannen ka kudol ke alingan lamoy na nyaton kol la mune muy telephone load lati folam ini mune be finti la molka ko sa meta nyawo nyam fo e fem fo moli ko sun telle yati ne sitaje bare lan mo le fana yati na nge tambindi and wala no mum beje nte mamira ko e bo talale ya doyandi fo ni nyanta murlan tel kan kacandi te murlanka bo fula moli fula nyaw nga hakilo tu fonan nga hakilo tu bake ko Alaji Usenu amanche ko kuoka kidina ne dronga te fana nimbori ngoita ala fahamuro tambita wala landala makamo fana tambita wala. And I believe ko ntelimul be kadiamu nyanta nga wo lanno soto waye mo ni atambe ibika kungodi ala ene ngo bonije andun kuma kan dol beje ni afo nyaton koy ida amute kan amamure kan hada mandi mule mati bari aba dimilale andun kuma dol beje nim wo fo moye aya fo ya ma fo e dimi o dol beje na ya ma probably anyante la moy la nyami na ni na diam ta bike la moy wo nyam oto nyimu UDP dingol la pour message lam pour UDP dingol ye hakilo to ye bak dukare alinga tane hakilo nim ko wulta social media dia kana tinna nga finti do ngana nga diam andum kanam fan na molu doya si hakilo to woto andum mam pare kana directly ka fo moli yaje nyim coalition talks mu yalon ka bebe kerinte nyim moli kanyin dabari ndingol mul bededa starting from UMC nga isa fal fana mo ya ko nyin kono. Let me tell you people one thing nyilbe nyim mum beke kan ibe UDP le nondi kan wande pareta ka UDP le nondi e pareta ka Alaji Usenu nondi ibe nyindi amo mum bela because they want to sit somewhere ninyi ko mantake yer motif deda ya foko Alaji Usenu ani coalition diamo ani mobi ka benga kono woto UDP nyanta hakilo to la nyin kono bakele alinga hakilo to je kendeke alinga kata fofe yalon ko lebe kelan teli wala njawul la sawoti isawoy lon alin kana so wola ikan tembe nyamina nie dimba bute bulo ko nalinga jikando ken da ko nga kubu nin dimba ma mun ke bulu tero la to kelan telefonana please dukare mbal danila wola alinga kata nkana isawolo ndi mola inin fofe natanka alinga singe jibe alinga singe la moila nkana ke fofe teleberi akla on social media wala telebe nanga kumolfo mi yalon ko sama they will even point that on us ka foko etelle multimillion ko don ibika pare ni moye den kula ando nyili lo la bu wolti sain tembe ilo la mu wolti iben puska wolto they want to make Gambians believe ko Alaji Usenu bika son coalition diamula anda bika pare ani moy dum coalition o kono mam pare nga fu dañi lanto and then tell yalon ko alkadiam UDP toyala. You are doing a tremendous work for the Gambia, for United Democratic Party, and for your people. Bari hana madingo responsibility start tale janni ka dun ko kono janni ka kumofo yemira la kendeke. Andu janni be diamula hana be kala mo kilinde te mo fula mu yalon ko ila ta wollela ye kumandi yela ay yela basu mo nyini kawo ko nyento. Akela boyo doyandi anda akela diamo soni yandi bulle because he kalu ne kana nyimum fanamfo kumole mi yalon ko you have an idea about it. But it will donate social media. You base your talk on something mi yalon ko ifongole haja another social media. Ita mamu nyininka. You have no idea about it. Ye namul kote ke ita amul ite nyanta jikila milla. E nyanta mili kachandila. Ite mili tambindi ye namul kote ke ita wuli jalai kote. Ni e fongo doya jamani be horomala. Ninteli mfongo doya. Mfongo doya wole nganda nyaton kol doya. Nyatonko is only criticized na ya tarabe kuke kam muyalonko ya advice ala wale ya diamundi muli ya dem mela kumoy. But this is something mi yalonka fintita nanne andu molu malong mune ba ko nyimbe ko. Muli ye domandingo lonje wolte fintila ya itandi publicly. And then I am not at a position pour ka fu moli ko nyinni beken. But I can assure United Democratic Party supporters ko alimbe si nga nyilla moy nganda nyaton ko lamoy. So that is all I can tell you. And I am sure and I can advise you kon na nyaton ko te decision kala mi yalon ko will not stand in the favor of United Democratic Party. Will not stand in the favor of poor Gambian electorates. But everybody is jumping right in and talking about this case and Mojama Beje Wolfong, they have no idea what is going on. I am not trying to criticize anybody. And I am not criticizing anybody. Because ngalon ko beli denta patiela. Andum ngani yamu sodo patie. Ngalon ko funding kel beje mi yalon ko woliyo ngani soto munta midante tati sinyafula. So I am sure ko before fem fokan patiela nyato ta probably wole atine diamuta. Bare hana madingo do beje kanoke dundi kuto mi yalon ko ita fangola sama torole andi ko ko mun defend ikana mur ko teke kana wole fanan torandi ka ngaibe. So let's just be patient. Ngalon ko nyaton ko le bembul. Specifically Alaji Hussein. He is one person Miyalongo would not take a decision. Miyalongo would not stand in the favor of his people, his political party, and in the country. So Miyalongo Alaji Hussein a decision what decision make. Abe Lola abe UDP fasalale, abe bankudingol fasalale, and abe kela bankola nyato talete. So ndele fo feng Yalongo ngamira nyunkokon. Ninkili neng Alaji Hussein ye tammira jele. Fofe yalon kay kijo fara nyin ko kono ninkilin nen Alaji Hussein aya kijo fara tan na man diamu bod ngalon mum mosi fale mati andum billahi wallahi sin kalbe sun garom ko momon tada Alaji Hussein ya nyinin ka to nya paka nyimu fa ba fala min fa to nyale fo because I know the type of person he is now nimbu ko lem fanan si do man ni safeno Alaji Hussein la koto amanke kawiyeti bika fu alfa I am very sorry to say that but abika sapi ku fanan kan safo wonya oto momi yalon ko UDP dingole moyti ikadi amu UDP ko la on social media nyim ko nyinga lali nya ko dol beje nya kaso wole ma boroti ike nya kasala freng I wish nim ku dol nata ya safele ya sambanang they are testing the reaction of the people mul yalon ko UDP dingole moyti ike nya kasala nyami na lim fana ya start ka nya kaso nyam and nyim ku let mi yalon ko is one key point mi yalon ko be nyanta nga kata we start from here. Dukare alinga nyim ko nyilandi. And then let's put our trust in our leadership. Our leaders will take a full responsibility of this case. And I am very sure ko Alaji Hussein te Gambia din killing disappointa. Ma for UDP de. Nganie mun sotai. Ngalano mun sotai. Abe lola dato mu yalon ko ntelie mun mira fangate lola nyoto. Woto Alaji Hussein will take a decision o tada odang. I am very sure at 99.9% because mampareka for 100% hanamadiya man nastal but 99.9% would stand in the will favor the Gambians, the poor electorates, the United Democratic Party supporters and United Democratic Party and the entire Gambian people. Duka dembo fulale alale hakilotu woto baki.
ninku keta nga finti nga diam bar jannim be finti la dinga mfana ye domandi mo mullo ngali nga risakin ke domandi social media futata woto andu hana madi mo ni be ku kono ibe daminto ibe kada woto you take steps ni be kudu ikadi amu ko fe ikadi amu nyami ne kalmo ke wala nyam you will know people mul yalon ko nim ko finti da before talking you will be able to engage them and ye engage nyami na ka information sto wala nyam ni tata fana e baji la ko ila information o ka credible nyami na molbe la moy la wala nyama so you are building something for yourself. So it's not a matter of yetara lolin lakili luolu ibe ku kilingo fola luolu ibe akla the same thing ni nata ni safero fanka molka foko karka kidi ku kandi. So alinga hakilo to woto back. Nte what I want to tell you and what I can assure you ko let's put our trust in our leadership ngalon ko Alaji Usenu with the entire UDP national executives will not make any decision mu yalonko ate banko dimol nafala ate UDP nafala andum and abeta kela kuleti mi yalonko nimmol ya moya be kele kamfato kuleti nte yalo nyami nako UMC building or making a coalition with UDP is senseless. It does not make any sense. Ndede mondila dula to sign tech. Less than 4, 5, 6 months. Nko ila nyato nko manyafa. Alright? Nko ila patie katama nyamina amanyafa. Ngana amur ngata ngam fansum patie deda wala ngam fansum movement o deda ngana amur na welcome koteke nko ni ke kilingoti pour nga ku kilingo kele koteke. Sai mune ati nante bonita je. Nyin tuta hakili mal le bulu. Hakili mal le be nyimira la. Andum banko to da hakili mbe era min to sai hakili kuole be kere ni be tamale ka tamani hakili ma yalla alinga mira positively so on telephone na nyaton ko li yalla nako it doesn't make any sense nin talib malon ko it doesn't make any sense gambe no li yalla ne so why are they back mo killing mo mun si non sa ye mira. It's about that because you are not satisfied, you are dissatisfied with the leadership, and then you don't have a trust in the leadership because he is not a winnable candidate. Now Talib want to come back to join a hand with UDP, put it up coalition towards 2026. Talib be play kan Jamal, la be Jamal neneka. It's himself. It's himself. So until you see nga jibe roke, because nga mole tombo muli alonko they should decide on our behalf. So until we see dino la je, and then we sit somewhere nga for be decision or make la. What are we doing? We are confusing those people. But I'm assuming you ko UDP la leadership will not take a decision. Me alonko will not stand in favor of UDP supporters. Mo fulali. Nga fali andum ba fulali koteke UDP la nyaton ko li UDP dingol horoma bakele ke la kangol moy ke la moy la I can tell you ndeni UDP nyaton ka jamale ka kacha on daily basis mo jamale be je miliano ko kala fi ko kala ken kumande ko pa. What do you think about this when I'm not even close to the corridor and anybody else can have an opportunity, meaning they are listening to us. And then they are also ko so be rest assured ko they will take a decision mu yalon ko telbela sama nyato taleng wala mbela sama lebeje duka mbal dani la wola nga hakilo to bake kana so nyimol yen distract nkana so wala please nkana so wala alin kana so nyimol yen distract because below the world they want to distract us. But I am sure in fact ibe motive le nyini kam mi yalonko iba sapila Mr. Dabo, they are trying to paint him black. This yala mampareng afterward. I don't want to go there. Mampareng afterward. But I can assure people ko Mr. Dabo is trying his best to unite Gambians. I can assure everybody. And then probably and inshallah that will happen. Mr. Dabo be abe fence sambala na mi yalonko abe kila banko di mola nafati. and be fen sambala na miyalon ko banko dingol be fanjira jele. Unite Movement for Change now are getting to understand the reason why they are after UDP. They want to gain the momentum. They want to be cited. They want to be seen in the race. They want to be recognized. Additionally, they want to make sure UDP is seen as a party miyalongo aka imam banko hati wala ifangol ngol damal wala histoire patiele wala patiele miyalongo ye talib ya doyale wala yatina botaji. They are trying all that. Now that it is not possible and then they are hopeless, they are now trying to come back. If they want to come back, UDP, nobody owns UDP. Mo killing tante UDP today. Alinga wafana lonje. Mo killing tante. Nko ntelbie mu hada madingo leti. Mo anala muso fangola futu kabang. Ma fa wale problemos to fumuso ya la fengol pak aitasi la swol kono. After even 1 year, ya deda e monna so kono e futu. Ya continue futu wala. Atare dingol be tema. No wole long te la Africa. And wo finance keno even in politics. What dingol ni wole relationship that is already built between one party and another. And then we have to accept that. Please, let's accept moy mistake ko ke ya balali. E bitre sinya kila be bitre la kotek. Woto ni moy bitre sinya killing. Ad ni na be ku kela itele ke ku long. Ibika ke ku ke balia because no one tell enemy be siala. But what you need to do is inaye kuke but ni na be ku ke de ya long e ba ke nyamin. Dukane mbal danila misada temalo munende Starlink klebe mbulu bari hani nyende kenola. But anyways, na internet of like a jam. I don't know. Anyways, I will work this out. Anyways, mbe min fola dron, alinga hakilo ti nyinto baki. Nga kata nga cool be landi. Nyintan betal ba nin donata. Alinga hakilo jannim be fintla nga diamu. Alinga alum be diamu. Social media diamu diatal de. Doli beje woli kake banku do koti. Jama. Ba doli beje woli kake kide fatarangolti. Isi la fi kide fatandile nyawonyang. Alinga jibe mbe diamu mulu sambalana. Ningo kabe makoila dukare mbal dani la wola ngal dani wola ala kam makila kam ndelle be ku killing banku do ko le nyenti dron. Some people are so mbafula nyaadile, they are fanatic in everything that they do. Ikaji ko duli ka nyapi ko kanne, you know, dul nim ko keta. You know, they are so passionate that, you know, look, we know how much you love Gambia. We know how much you love United Democratic Party. We know how much you love your people. But I am sure we have a leader, a very responsible person. Miyalongo will take a decision and will stand in the favor of everybody. This will form all year. Dukare ngali dani nyunko nyangala landi UDP dingolo. Alali nyakas ni UNC molla. Please try to minimize the back and forth. Alikante ye sai ninyi mol ka fenga. Ni munata ni nensi nyakeli nge cross. Imota na yen nenke block le. Ngata na hajola. I have a peace of mind now. Ibika moy ni moy kuma ni muye mbane nge ngatambila. Nyaton kaya be wole nyama. You must accept people to sometimes criticize you. We have to accept that. UDP is not a small party. It's a very big political party. Nte mobe canalize nola. Modol bije wol hani kore ta be wol nyama. Ni so dol bije nuoto leng, doli tuloto, doli konto, doli dawda. But we still cooperate. We try to find ways to cooperate with everybody. Please. Alinga kata UMC la nying kalanta ya kolo alinga na adunye. UDP was focused kabiri yo till UMC natana. Talim na la nyimoli ka molde dale na ya lineng for you to react. So instead of concentrating on yourself, Albert Rajali you playing this back and forth with them. I only engage them when Alaji Hussein is disrespected. And if they want to continue doing that, Gambians will understand because these people are so disrespectful. Baninte Fonda Male, let them continue insulting me. So ni mo musintela kumo moino, probably na kumo moyo te diala dolie, but kana mira kon kamo I am above anybody. No. Go and tell me we are at the same stage, the same level length. Mbele be funkularing. We barely have something to wear. Mbe wojele. Hani dendika kendo bika I don't know. Because we are all poor. We want to remove our country from this bad leadership. Oto kilima wara kilin tijang. Mbele kanyantandu mbebe doko ke kampuru kanyimbanko bondi. So kilin kaname sawai ile ke amira tebe another level wala akadiamu mol kanteng. No. Kilin tal telekono ntesi diamuno ntesi diamuno because I feel I am superior to him in whatever level you think. But then see diamuno ele because ngamira ko you are brother or you are sister. Or we are party comrade. That is sharing ideas, exchanging opinions, advising one another. That is all we can do for one another. Tukarimbal Danila, Alaji Hussein is the most responsible. If the leader jela nyimbanko kamu responsible takatambati. But Alkana Amira ko Talib will come anyami naning Ismail Yasin ni Bakar will come anyami nat. Alaji Hussein be malawa. No, atoke. Hana ekuje mimmandiae. Atai tandila molla flagrant ko nyimmandiae. He never does. He will not do that. So alalonko leader balbulu miyalonko will take a decision on your behalf. Andunga fota dawandal be kontanda. I am giving you my word. Kalbe coalition o jele jamiyalon. Banko dingul be kontan la coalition o lale. Anda be kontane lale. Andinga be abe Adama Barrow la masakunda jindla nyimbanko kanyan. If Talib want to join Gambians, if Talib want to join United Democratic Party, I more than I will more normal. But Kafuko decision making table, I don't think UDP will allow him to have that access. No, brother, you are one of the lions that I have been learning from. Kabring killing intelling andung manyina wola. So I'll tell them for ninkel muyalan kon telephone and call tell gibe be yakar I'll tell them. Tell him be mantra is not important. But I'll tell him for ninkel muyalan ko you are as important as mwe wuli so mandadra combating atasis la fenko gibe ay mine safi. Wala fenka Suleiman Chami ye mine safi. Wala Bigjo ye minefo. Wala Ismaila ye minefo. Wala Bakari ye minefo. In social media, all social media platforms. In Facebook, in TikTok, TikTok. I only go there probably once a day or something, and come and spend less than 15 minutes. So basically, I'll be do komuna, and do kwe muli nyabo bakele, you know. I muli nyabo bakele. So Alka do kota alka. It's like you are working for UNC. It's just like that. Because you are giving them, you people are giving them the momentum. Because they want to be heard, they want to be seen, they want to be on the spotlight, and then you are allowing them to have that possibility. So mumbeje woleng ali telibula nisi fa wafi no ye fa wafi. So alter kana ke agentol to medialon kal telebe wafi na. Al kana so wala. And once again I'm be mo be tentula. Nsi mo be jey. Modol bi je medialon ko be UDP. Nye long e doku kende ke ka doku kendo it will be careful because social media len nyine ketan na jamela wato la mulie doko ke they have not heard they were not heard mulie alon ko they were on TV stations e barakante yale keje you know they were there for recognition munjoko Ahmad Jitewol wolle mo la doko taya sabana yasindi ifangole kam Milialonko probably from Imam Fenkijan Saf because they went with Jame up to the last minute. They came with us. So Labanta Jela ye minke. But I can tell you there are people Milialonko Mojamale long. Amanja kontele. They are Mojamale long. They are doing a very good work for the Gambian United Democratic. Yusufa Sedikan is one of those people. Bakari Marong mo jama mi yalon ko ngi long nsi tol fo no jam ikadoku kende balek you know our sister Amnata Bawol Jare Sani Wol they are not always seen on social media but ngi mudoku la ballet UDP la ko fenka they are always seen on the front line. So alinga hakilo to nyoto do ngalon kon telebe nyo UDP is not only a political party, it's a family and it's a tradition because mojama bentel ko mo yalon ko ya inherently natale you know ya italia iman ya tale andi kuntaje so nyimu kulet mi yalon I think ntelbe nyanta lon na sign where we are and what should be our stand on issues. We get matured by bit and bit on in politics. You know, akakiwole nyam ngam support. Instead of giving them platform, you give yourself the platform. Nganyo fasa ba ngalo nyo fe. You know, kodol bije UDP manke sate bale. Ini mobe kurfe nyo kelal bi samali FC ale kacha. That is how life is. That is how family issues happens. You know, ni tata community lo wolle kakije. Ita da wadan to wolle kakije. So ni nada party to wole bekela andum party tabe increase instead of one person 2 3 4 5 people, you know, a whole lot of people, you know, nyina na broda la Suleiman Dabo, he is doing a very big work. Fenka kidim jajuol, you know, kidim la na UDP hanim bi doku kendo li kawoleke. Those are the people mulialo we should recognize them, we should support them, we should be celebrating them. Talib is one person mulialo ka kungolen, but inga to for dawadanto we are giving him the possibility to show himself. So on tebe nyine fokan moti akilo to je bake na lonko mum fota afota le Hollande UDP will take their responsibility as leaders, and I can assure everybody ko iten disappoint la no UDP ten disappoint la and we didn't disappoint la alinga lo ton simo be tendu simo be jay bayo sonko mvola broda bayo anala ila kafuba bayo ani Mr. Kurang Dr. Mbal tentula Mbal jay la doku kendo albe minkeka sate baleng is a army camp bomo ilot inyata lono daminto dron model bije wolmu mass weapon destruction fenkole operator le ni wol jani kama mandron wo katara ko kirimbas bale nyanda kela so del mu yalla ko dinna pistol dinna AK-47 no we can operate anytime but I'll tell you anytime I'll finish it wrong in phone call na ko ku bale nyanda kake so kal tend to kal jay the efforts that you are giving nyin sun karo ko na yalla family buraja you are there talking to people, trying to sensitize people to bring them in the party is very well recommended, and then that is a very good work that you are doing for UDP, and that is what is expected from everybody. But butung momo ilod la yeje father on, that is what is important. So mbe mo be tentu la simo be jey simo fana be nimbara mi dalon ko e kala moyle banko kuna ni banko bandala jarankol jaranga mo ni wato kono kandi bale be je ke bari mo do ala sumote 11 o'clock tilulo no lunga be sila niwo benala lunga be nan niwo benala wolum be wonni la fa jarangol le mala muta la ilaha illallah ne jeslo kay ko kar ka sunna bi ka sunde ibi ka sum jarango ngalo e mamuke be telle affect la katami mo beti ibe affect la bak babudun sal tendu ngal jay ngal nimbara do ko kendal be minke kan we are just happy engaging you as a family mbali nimbara la ka fale ko ala ko len si janganda la ko le kan samana jang andun de fas la muk bawal bi janne andum nal telle ko kiling sal be tendu ngal be jay nabro da Suleiman dindi wal bari ko jata Suleiman ko jata baki bari balbe tentula ngal be jay albe do ko kende ball definitely albe do ko kende ball we are happy that you people are always on the line defending our party, defending the country, alakata he wanifa didin ko jarre mbale be mbulu wonde fa sane wolle mbe mo be tentula mbe mo be jayla nin ko mbe mo be to fula mbe lala jen ko smoke do ko kendela ni koy bo fula UDP be lala jen definitely speaking but insal be tentungal be jay alnal badi ma pamani la baraka ba jalla